Hey, it's Paul here at Music Villa in Bozeman, Montana, and you're home right now and you need something to do. Check on your guitars, okay? Big important thing around here, humidity. We have humidity devices. I'll show you more about that, or call me. We can talk about that. I'm not really going to tell you about restringing a guitar right now, but we do have a video about that as well that you can watch. But when you do restring your guitars, oil the fretboard a little bit. There's a lot of different oils out there. And you just put a little oil in there, and with a dirtier cloth you can just wipe it all out. It's on the rosewood, the darker fingerboards. Okay, one other thing. Right now especially, people gotta clean their guitars. Get a nice cloth, a nice soft cloth like this. There's multiple types of cleaners out there. Spray it on the cloth. I love wiping down the back of the neck, the back of the body, because your hands are dirty, and it's nice to keep a clean guitar. So wipe the back of the neck. Right now what's really popular, people are at home and they got all these guitars and they want to hang them up. String swings, great little wall hangers. Another thing, kind of keeps the strings clean and the fretboard smooth and kind of silky. And there's a few different ones. People who use these swear by them, and there's 3 different types. People like each one: the Fast Fret by GHS, Accelerate by D'Addario, Finger Ease. All this stuff is like classic string cleaner. It's, lubricates the strings, cleans them. Very cool. If you are changing strings, you will need a wire cutter and the string winder. So the string winder is nice too. A little trick about these, it pops out these pins back there. So that's the basics. Just want to make sure you keep your guitar clean and humidified. So if you need anything from us, give us a call. We can answer questions. We're here working the phones, a couple of us, and we're here for anything you need, so let us know. Thanks for watching.